Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Discord app not opening. So if Discord application is not opening on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be some bugs in the application. So in order to fix the bugs, what you can do is simply try updating your app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. What you have to do is simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Discord. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Discord and tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, what you have to do is tap on it. If your application is already updated, you'll be able to see the open option over here. Once the Discord is updated, your problem should be fixed. But if your application is still not opening, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, what you have to do is launch open app library on your device, find the application for Discord and long press on it. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the app info interface of Discord. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface of Discord. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. So what you have to do is simply tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now simply try opening the Discord application and it should open. But if your application is still not opening, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. For that, go back. Now in the app info interface, tap on this option uninstall that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, what you have to do is tap on the option OK and your app will be uninstalled. Now go to the Play Store and install the application again. Now your problem should be solved. But sometimes there can be some technical glitches on your device itself. In that case, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. For that, what you have to do is long press on the power button, or you can also scroll down from the top of your screen. Now once you do that, right over here you'll be able to find the power icon. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Now once the device is restarted, all the temporary software glitches will be fixed. Now what you have to do is simply try opening the Discord application again. Now after you do that, your problem should be solved. So that is how you fix Discord app not opening. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.